presenting a pre-owned 2018 Audi A5. This two-door coupe has a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with all-wheel drive and a 7-speed double-clutch transmission. This Audi has less than 61,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 24 miles per gallon in the city and 34 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include Sport Package, auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and heated front seats.